reason we're looking at the dollar yen is, again, number one, we're looking at the dollar pair, so we're going to take the dollar yen, the dollar CAD, the dollar Aussie. We're going to go through all the. Okay, we have a, alright, good. Now, if you look at the daily dollar yen, you can see very well that we have been sitting making a lot of noise at or around the 80.24 structural point. And if you see here, again, this is the beauty of the structural points, and gives us or shows us the importance of the timing, if you will. Now, and understanding price behavior and understanding how to deal with a structure point. Now, for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days or a week, we broke below the structure point 5 times. We broke below the structure point 5 times. And we did not capitulate on any one single time. So what that is this a sign of strength, or is this a sign of weakness? Is this a sign of distribution or selling coming into the market, or is it a sign of accumulation and buying? Absolutely, Andrew, it is a sign of, exactly, Ian, it is a sign of coming in, buying, acquiring. Yes, this time is a time where people require to change their mind, to change their bias. And how do they change their bias? People are smart. They learn from their failures. They take lessons from their failures. They take lessons from their losses. So they sold. They failed to go down 6 times. Now they're convinced, because every time they take it in one way, it is not going. I'm not going down. I'm not going down. I'm not going down. I'm not going down. So, by definition, is I'm going up. Therefore, it makes our life extremely easy. It closed the week at 80.39. My structural point now is 80.24. So that's going to be my short point and my structural short. Okay? Now, even though it hasn't broken, but still it is the structural point, and it's going to be our reference point, and we will deal with it as such. We want to get a buying point. I would actually buy it right now where it's at 80.39, but we are going to look at the intraday to define an entry point. And if you look here, look at the accumulation of all these reference points at or about the 80.39, the 80.40. I mean, this is as a screaming buy as you can get. So what we're going to do, just to be in the sake of caution, this is 80.39 or 80.40. The high of the day is 80.50. So that's going to be my buying point. So our buying point is 80.50. Just because I want to get rid of this noise. My structural short, my short point is 80.24. My structural short now will become 80.24. My long structure point now becomes, if you look at the daily chart, now becomes the 81.12. That's my next structural point. Okay, and if I'm going to go short below 80.24, it is also going to be my stop sign, my stop. And if I buy it at 80.50, again, I don't want to get out of the trade unless it goes below the 80.24. So the 80.24 is going to be my stop for the long position and for the short position. Okay? That is the dollar yen. So I'm buying above 80.50. My structure long is 81.12. My short point is 80.24. My structure short is 80.24. And if I take the long or the short, that's 80.24 is going to be my stop. Okay? That is the dollar yen. Let me save that. Anybody has any question on the dollar yen?